It is that special season of the year again where we celebrate the life of a phenomenal woman, a visionary, a teacher, a philanthropist, and a mentor to many. Our mom, Dr. Prophetess Ruth Emmanuel Makandiwa. Mom, we celebrate you today. You are our guide, you are our teacher, you are our mentor. We are what we are because of you, and we owe you all our achievements and success in this life. Mary.
Mom, you are a rare gem. Thank you so much for guiding us. We are now confident and positive in everything that we do because we are in your capable hands. And we want to take this special moment to wish you a happy birthday, Mom.